Hello dears, I think everybody enjoyed our class. Last class we told about a story of courage by Jas Palmer. Remembering this story? Yeah, I think everybody enjoyed that one. And what was the theme we have already studied? Courage. How to be courage. Whenever you reach in a new place, how to adjust there, how to take it as an adventure and be ready to take it as in a positive way and be courageous. That much we studied. Okay, remembering the story? Now, shall we start on to our next part? Read and answer. Read and answer. Here I think everybody read the lesson, then there won't be any problem to understand that lesson. So you can very easily answer my question. Here, something I have to ask you, we can discuss it, not to study or not to asking question and saying answer. We can discuss it. That is the best way to interact and you can very easily say that. During the first 2 days in the stay in Paris, Harjit noted a number of ways in which the city was different from cities in India. That all we all know that life in the city and life in Paris, that is entirely different. Not only the life, but some other things about the climate, about the dressing, about the streets, about the traffic. Everything we can see different things. So, shall we discuss it now? Yeah. Okay. First one, we can say about the weather. What is the change and about everything in India and in Paris. From where he was going? Our Harjit, not Pierre. Yeah, Harjit. So he was waiting in the place airport at that time. Mentioned something. He was going from Amritsar. And now he reached in Paris. Amritsar, the temperature was 37 degree. Isn't it? It was 37 degree. And in Paris, it was very cold weather. He told about the cold weather. So remember that in India, it was very hot weather. But in Paris, it was very cold. You can write it in your own sentences and all. Ma'am is saying only about the points to understand it. We can discuss it. Okay? Yeah. And the streets. Second one, streets. Yeah. On the way to Paris, first he saw what? Crowded streets. Crowded. But that crowded also were very neat one only, neat place. And another one, that is silence. The street were very silence only. Nobody is making any sound. But they can see sitting here and there on the corner and all. They are having their food and all. But everything was in a silent way. Traffic. Whenever we are in a junction of traffic block, we can see our road construction was going on. We will be there, stuck there. But the traffic was very perfect, very neat, silent on the road. Traffic was very silent and neat lines. The vehicles were going neat line, separate lines. Here our roads are very congestive only, very small one only, but the vehicles were going by different lanes. Behavior of car drivers. Yeah, what we had seen? One, yeah, when the bicycle comes, what happened? The car driver stopped the car and gave the way and says, yeah, thank you. So think that here we are always moving, running here and there only. Sometimes the car may be moving that way, bicycle also will be there. But here what happened? When the bicycle reached the car driver stopped and says goodbye. Thank you to the passenger. So from here also we can see that is in very good one. And noise level. Very commonly, not beeping horn at each other. So here and all we can see whenever we reach some places, all the vehicle drivers, they will pump their horn. But what may be they were not beeping the horns. And language spoken, different languages were there. Here also different only, but they are separate language, that French language is speaking. And that is the difference. So you have to conclude it together and try to study. Okay, that much we understood. And next one, second one, complete is the following with the details from the story. So some fill up the blanks are given there. You should think it about by using your textual knowledge. Harjit's family had to leave India and come to Paris. Why? Because his father received a job. What happened? His father received a job in Paris. He received a job in Paris. So he has to move from there. Some of your parents also, when your father got transferred, you had to go with like that only happened here. He got a job in Paris. So for the better settlement of the family, they had to move to Paris. That is in France. At the airport, Harjit felt self-conscious when he noticed a boy staring. Somebody is staring at him. Harjit's father said that Harjit would benefit from his experience and that rather than being scared, he should treat it as an adventure. You should treat it as an adventure. That is very good point, you should remember. Father always helped him and told him to take it as an adventure. Otherwise, what will happen? He encouraged his son and told him to take it as an adventure. First night in Paris, Harjit cried himself because he felt he missed his grandparents and friends. That is very important. We also, when we go to any other places, first those who have grandpas or grandmas, they felt they are the best one. They will tell stories, they will tell something to you. So friends also. So here also our Harjit, he missed his grandparents and friends. The imposing metal building that Harjit had seen on the way from the airport and in pictures in new school was, what was it? Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower. It was Eiffel Tower, which had been originally built for a world exhibition to celebrate the French Revolution. World exhibition to celebrate French Revolution. But now what is it? Tourist attraction. Yeah, now it is a tourist attraction. The third one. How did Harjit realize that he had brought the wrong bag from the airport? How? Yeah, when he reached home, he opened the bag and what he could see he saw something from India, some metal, some precious things, that lockets and some other keychains and all the things that from India, and he could understand that is not his bag, all his dress and what the things he kept there were must. By opening the bag, when he see the things inside, he could realize that was not his bag. Yeah, another one thing. Read it and tell me. Harjit pulled on his father's sleeve. Papa, look, that is the boy, the one who was staring at me yesterday. Then why don't you go and say hello? His father suggested. Some people are just curious. They do not mean any harm. Harjit decided to brave. So he walked up to the boy and smiled. The boy looked a little embarrassed that he had caught crying. So here that Papa is always encouraging him. One boy was standing and crying, and without knowing who was he, why was he crying, his Papa, Harjit's Papa, told him to go and ask something. So what happened here? Where had Harjit seen the other boy earlier? Where had he seen? From the airport near to the carousel. The place from where that bags and all are coming, from the airport, the carousel, what happened? Harjit had seen that boy. Why had he staring at Harjit at that time? Why? For example, if you wore any special dress, your classmates, your friends will stare to you. And here also, what happened? Harjit has a turban on his head. So, everybody looked at that one. So, that boy also stared our Harjit by seeing the turban. How had this made Harjit feel at that time? First, he became upset. Why everybody is looking at me? They are all staring me. But suddenly he felt self-conscious about it. Why had the boy been crying? We had seen a boy standing on the corner crying. What happened to him? Yeah, he lost his bag. That is why he was crying. How did Harjit solve the problem? Harjit consoled him by saying that you don't worry, the bag is with me. He got the bag. Why had the boy been crying? How did Harjit solve the problem? Because he lost the bag. And how did Harjit solve it? Harjit consoled the boy and told him that bag didn't miss, that bag is with me. So he consoled him. How did the boy help Harjit to feel more comfortable and confident about his new life in Paris? Yeah, that is very important. How did the boy help Harjit feel more comfortable? So at first both of them were not knowing each other. By seeing his cry only, Harjit went and say hello to him. After that, both of them became friends and both of them talked in broken English. That is very important. Harjit also studied in English also, but he was not confident. I'm going to another place and I don't know how to speak fluently like others. But when he reached Paris, he got a friend and that friend also talked like him only. They both of them talked in broken English and they became friends. And another one thing, boy told Harjit, tomorrow and the next day you have to explain everything about India. So that also got a boosting power to him to speak something in front of others, that also about what he knew. So that happened there only. I think everybody understood that much. Okay, and one next one as a homework I had to give something to you. Think and answer. Think and answer. So here these are not the questions to having a special answer. You should think, your imagination, thinking power, and you can imagine and tell that. Here, first one. In the course of this story, there are at least 3 references to Harjit's turban, linking it with the feelings of tension and anxiety within him. What way is Harjit's turban connected with the theme of the story? That turban, remembering first time, what was the name of our story? A story of courage. That turban also has a link to the heading, the title of the story. How at first he felt upset by everybody looking at his turban, but he felt it as a self-conscious. So our appearance and our wearing, everything, we also have a feeling of self-confidence among us. So that you should explain, and in your own words, your ability, think about and answer it. To what extent do you think Harjit's father was responsible for helping him to adjust a new life in Paris? So here, father, if we are in such a situation, if anybody encourages us to do something, we will have the courage. We will think, I also had to do that. So here, his father turned every time, consoled him and gave him encourage. He encouraged him to take it as an adventure. It is a golden chance for you. Such things he boosted our Harjit. So that also find it and write. We do not see Harjit carrying any physical bravery, but the story of courage. Courage means not only for our physical strength and all, our mental strength also. So this title is Story of Courage. Not the courage of his body or the physical power, but the courage of his mind, mental courage. That I told you, a little adventure, little courage, that will make a person to live a good one. So here also, if he dared at first how he afraid, if he afraid such only, what will happen? He couldn't live in Paris. He couldn't be there. So his courage in mind, who prompted him to do so? First his father, next Pierre also helped him. So that also how it is apt as the title of the lesson. So I do believe that everybody understood the lesson, and you all should be courageous one. Never take it as a coward one. Be a courageous person. Okay, thank you.